how to connect GoDaddy domain on Shopify. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to make sure that you are logged in into your account. And of course, we are on the website, so make sure that you are here. Now, once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the bottom left corner of the screen and then click the settings. So just click the settings right there. And then on this part, just look for domains, which is right here. So just click the domains right there. Now, currently, Shopify has an ongoing deal right now wherein you will only need to pay $1 for the first 3 months for the basic plan, grow plan, and the advanced plan. So if you want to avail that deal right now, all you have to do is to go down below the description box and of course the comment section, and then just of course click the link that will be right there. So going back onto our topic, and then in this part, let's click connect existing domain. So do that. And then of course, just go on your domain and then just paste it right here. But of course, I don't have any domain as of now. So I'm just going to put some random website. So let's say, for example, let's use the YouTube website and then click next. And then once you do that, of course, they will need to verify that you own the website. So they will have some verification so that they can verify that you are the owner of that website. But of course, if it is your website, that would be easy to do. So that is basically it. That is how to connect GoDaddy domain in Shopify.